Let's make homemade applesauce. For this recipe, you will need the help of an adult. Gather 7 apples, a half cup of water, a fourth cup of white or brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Let's start by washing our hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds. Let's get our apples ready by giving them a good wash. Now it's time to peel and remove the core from our apples. To do this, we cut around the center of the apple, then we cut the sides into smaller pieces. Apples are a great source of fiber, which helps us move food through our digestive tract and helps keep us full longer. Now that our apples are ready, let's add them into a large pot with water and sugar. If you're using a sweeter variety of apple, like Fuji or Gala, you can use less sugar from the recipe. For an unsweetened version, you can leave the sugar out altogether. Cook the apple mixture over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until the apples are nice and soft. Add cinnamon, cool mixture, and mash with a spoon or fork. This is a great time to use our muscles. For a smoother sauce, you can add the cooled mixture into a food processor or blender. Enjoy this applesauce as a tasty snack, swirl in your oatmeal, or add as a side to your favorite meal.